Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chloe for those of you who don't know me, and welcome to my channel. So I have some news. Well, it's not really news, but it's just like things that have been happening. And yesterday I wrote my last exam of my undergrad degree, so I'm officially done my BBA at Laurier now, which is like crazy. I didn't even really know. I had to like process it after I finished the exam. I was just like, holy shit, like I'm done. I never have to worry about another test or exam or studying or like pulling all-nighters again. So I don't know, it was really nice. The only thing that kind of made me sad though is like, you know, I wish I was with all of my roommates at the end of it, because we all would have written our final exams together and been there. So it was like bittersweet to finish. But yeah, but also now I don't know how to spend my time quarantining, because before I was studying / like going to work, and now that I have no schoolwork, like I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start today by just kind of watching some movies and chilling and not really doing a lot. Also guys, if I look kind of orange out here, I can't even tell, maybe it's just me, but I was really bored and I got a self-tanning kit, if this will focus. I got a self-tanning kit on Amazon. My legs turned out pretty well. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but like my legs are pretty tanned, and I put a little bit on my face. I just don't think I'm used to having a tan because I haven't gone anywhere in a really, really long time. So I'll keep you guys updated. Definitely just gonna watch some Netflix right now, watch some TikToks, hang around, hang with my bubbies. They're so clingy. Lily, I'll be on the couch and they'll be like on top of me within a couple of minutes. But yeah, that's my plan for right now. Hi guys, okay, so it's a bit later in the day right now. Mom and I are taking apart the furniture in my bedroom because we're putting my original furniture back in. I had like an old bed in my room while my bed at school was still there, but now that all my furniture is home, I can put all that stuff into my room. And then Charlie is gonna be taking the rest of that furniture in there to his apartment that he's gonna have in Toronto in a couple of months, so we're just holding on to it. Also, guys, this is a couple hours after I put the self-tanner on my face, and I think it kind of looks kind of good. Like I look kind of scary now because I don't have my makeup on, but my actual complexion is like pretty even, and like on my arms and stuff, it doesn't look terrible. So I'll link the stuff that I got on Amazon down below, because it only came in like 2 days and I was just at home bored, which is why I decided to self-tan. But anyways, we're putting this furniture into my room right now. These are the mattresses. One's gonna get tossed, obviously. We'll update you guys after when it looks a bit better. It's a little chaotic right now. My whole room is kind of a disaster. It'll look good eventually. Bed is out. We vacuumed this whole area here, and now we're gonna go get my white frame to bring up here. And then I also think, guys, I'm gonna get rid of like this whole unit here. I have another cute desk that I'm gonna put over there, but in case I don't like how the desk looks when I put it over here, I'm gonna keep this, and then maybe you guys can tell me what you think will look better. For the most part, like this desk is broken anyways. Like you guys can see, there used to be like a slidey thing out here and it broke. So I think I'm just gonna try and get rid of all of this. And then I also have my big mirror that I wanna put over here. This is my outfit of the day, guys. I'm just wearing some loose jogger pants and a black Adidas shirt and some salads. And then I also have a clothing rack, and I still have this Papasan chair. So I'm gonna have to do some geometry to figure out where everything should go and like play with some different patterns and stuff. But I mean, I have all the time in the world right now to do it. If there's a good time to be doing it, it's right now. But Mom and I are gonna go take a break, eat some food, eat some dinner, and then we'll carry on doing this. This is Judith, guys, my chandelier at Brooke and Sid and Hannah. Named this in grade 7 because we all hit our heads on it all the time, and she's still here. Okay, we'll keep rocking. Guys, I'm playing the Lilo & Stitch soundtrack. It's definitely driving my mom crazy right now, but it's fine. There's no place I'd rather be. Alrighty guys, the bed is in. She's so cute. Now we're gonna do the desk all over here. I moved my Papasan chair in because I'm thinking about putting it in the corner over here. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I might have to move some stuff around, but the bed is done, so let's go get the desk. There's no place I'd rather be. Guys, good morning. It's the next day right now. So I ended up not finishing my bedroom last night because I was just tired. There was a lot of furniture moving, and I just know that I have the next couple of days / weeks to be able to do it all. So I didn't rush and finish it last night, but I am going to finish it a lot today. I'll probably do like a montage or something of me cleaning it up for you guys just so you can see. But honestly, already guys, my room feels so much bigger. Like, my bed's all the way over there, and it's always been over there, but it seems so much further away because the stuff is not all here. Yeah, it's crazy, but I'm gonna try and get my room situated a bit better. Also guys, if you have any video recommendations, please leave them down in the comments below. I would be happy to do them. My outfit of the day is, some leggings, this green hoodie that I got from Brandy Melville like 2 years ago, and my slides. Okay, so I just finished organizing and cleaning and moving everything around my room, so I'm gonna show you guys now. Like I said before, I haven't had my stuff in here for like the last 4 years, so I'm just kind of getting used to it, being all back to normal. I don't know if everything's gonna stay exactly where it is, but as of right now, this is how my room is set up. Also guys, I put shorts on because I was sweating, so yeah. Okay, here we go. When you very first walk in, you have my bed over here on the left, and then my desk is over here from school, my papasan chair, my mirror, and then my closet. So I'll just show you guys. Since I moved my other desk out, I have so much room here for activities, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with the space. I'll probably just leave it like this, to be honest, because it makes my room feel so much bigger. Over here on the left first, I have my bed. This bed frame is from IKEA. My bed's a full. I feel like it's a big enough size because it's just me who's usually in here. Most of my bedding is from Pottery Barn / I think some stuff is from HomeSense. My tapestry over here is from Urban Outfitters, and I have twinkly lights that go across here. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're not lit right now. Here, I just put my twinkly lights on so you guys can see. Usually this is up here, I need to hang that. But this is like the vibe over here. I have my side little table here that was over here before, but I just moved it here. And I put Charlie's Jack Daniels lamp that he made me on here. This is cute. I have my little bear from Hannah over here that just chills. And this is this corner of my room. Then over here I have my laundry basket, and I just have my Blundstones on there right now because I need to bring them downstairs. And then I have a bunch of sweaters hanging on my door. Over here I have a fuzzy carpet and my small desk from IKEA. And honestly, I don't have too much stuff in here right now. I just have like my old diffuser. I have my shot glass collection. I actually have like 3 times this amount, guys. They're just in boxes, so I might put some more of my shot glasses out. Then I just have like a whole bunch of photos, a bunch of Polaroids over here, a picture of Charlie and I. And then in here is just a whole bunch of stuff. I just filled it with like my purses, extra markers, my memory box that I keep all my photos in, some extra makeup bags, camera stuff. That's all there. And then makeup's going in here. I have one more big organizer, guys, that's downstairs in the garage. I have to get it. Then I can put all of my makeup stuff here. And then I have my bowl chair right here. Honestly, guys, I don't go in this too much, but I love this chair so much for when I do use it, so I don't want to get rid of it. It takes up a lot of room, but when I have like friends over and stuff, it's nice for them to hang out and chill in here while I'm like either getting ready or my bed or whatever. So I've had this bowl chair since like grade 9, but I love it. And then I have my big mirror over here. This mirror is from IKEA, guys. It's pretty big. It was honestly so heavy for me to bring down the stairs, but I have my big mirror here, and then my Laurier sign above it, and then my closet is to the left. And if you guys have seen some of my other videos, you'll have an idea of what my closet looks like. It's not completely organized right now, so I don't want to show you guys, but yeah, that is my room right now, guys. I'm really happy. I'm really happy that I finally got to finishing my room, guys. It's taken me a while, probably about a month now, just to get all the furniture in, sort out some stuff, get rid of so much stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy that it's finally put together after all this time. But yeah, I hope you guys like my room. I'm probably gonna be filming a lot of videos in here, so this is the atmosphere / vibe right now. Also, happy Easter, guys. I forgot to wish it at the beginning of this vlog, but happy Easter weekend. I hope everyone's at home hanging with their their families and just having a good time, doing whatever Easter traditions you guys do. For the rest of the day, I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. My mom and I just started watching all of the Harry Potter movies again, and we do this at least like once a year. We just like watch all of them. I don't know, maybe we're gonna have a Harry Potter marathon today. I'm back at work tomorrow, and I am working 5 days this week. So the way it kind of works is I'm in the branch for like 2 or 3 days, and then the other 2 or 3 days I am doing admin work. I think today I'm gonna make some pasta salad, so maybe I'll show you guys me making some pasta salad. Lately I've been going on long walks with my mom as we walk our dogs, usually for like an hour every day, so I'm probably gonna go walk the dog with her too. I will keep you guys updated in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm gonna go walk my dogs right now with my mom, and this is my fit. Some biker shorts. These are Nike Roches. My sweater is stolen from my boyfriend. Some sunglasses from Zara. Let's go walk these dogs. Okay guys, so I thought a fun way to end off this video would be if I made some pasta salad. I'm gonna be doing that really quick right now. I'm just gonna be making a really easy Greek pasta salad. So yeah, it's really quick, really easy, and doesn't take a lot of ingredients or a lot of time. So I'm gonna start by boiling some pasta. I'm gonna do like half of this box, like 200, 220 grams. So my pasta's starting to boil over here. So for this, you are going to need a cutting board, some cucumber, a red pepper, a tomato, some olives, if you like olives, and some onion, some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, some red wine vinegar, and some feta cheese. Also guys, I'm not a chef or a good cook by any means, so try not to roast me too hard in the comments for like cooking salads, because I'm doing pasta salad because I really don't know how to make anything else complicated. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna start by washing all of the veggies. I'm probably gonna use full, maybe like 3/4 of this tomato, full pepper, maybe half of this onion, and probably half of this cucumber, just for like estimation, but you can use as much or as little as you want. So you kind of guess based on how much pasta you're making, because you don't want too much or too little. But start by washing the veggies. Okay, now we're gonna cut the veggies. Okay guys, I just realized that tomato's not good anymore, so I'm gonna use some cherry tomatoes that I have instead. Might not be as good, but better than using a tomato that's not good at all. Oh my god, I'm crying. She's boiling. Okay guys, so here are my cut up veggies, just onion, tomato, red pepper, and cucumber. I'm just gonna put this off to the side for right now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try and make some of the dressing that goes on the pasta. So I'm gonna be using 1/3 of olive oil and a mixture in 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar and also balsamic. And then I'm gonna put in some oregano, salt and pepper, and some garlic powder as well, just for some taste. And my camera is running low on battery right now, so I might have to transition to my phone if it dies. We will see. TikTok told me you're supposed to use a strainer like this and try and pour it out. I'm gonna try it. Oh, TikTok was right. As my camera just died, so I'm just gonna finish it off on here. So I have my dressing, my pasta salad, so I'm gonna add this dressing to it. That there. Et les gens dans les opas, les chichons l'été, on peut jouer dans les disponeros, mon dans les opas. It's really good. Guys, so now I'm back in my room and I am just doing some online shopping on Aritzia and Princess Polly. But yeah guys, that was my weekend. If you guys have any video suggestions or any suggestions for my room or some tips on my cooking, I would be happy to receive them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are home and happy and safe with your families. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!